is too evil. I don't know which joke. Who's
Evil, evil.
monster? Evil.
Where is Nemesis 2? We want Nemesis 2.
Okay, enough. This is the game, and you're gonna have to deal.
Oh, you see, I'm gonna bust a cap in your ass. You make me look like a stupid idiot.
Okay, so do we have this? Do we got this?
Yo, we got this?
Do we? Huh?
Check this out.
Who are you? Where's Nemesis?
No, excuse me. I really need you to sign this.
I will not sign that without my agent, my lawyer's agent, my manager, my
Hold
nutritionist,
on, hold on.
Get him to sign the contract. More evil. More evil. More evil. Please, more evil. More evil. More evil.
I am the new nemesis, and I really need you to sign this. Come on, don't you like doomsday stories?
I will not sign it. I will not sign it here. I will not sign it there. I will not sign it anywhere.
You
Damn
will
right.
sign this diamond! The script, please. You should have signed it. You are a fool. Look what I got. Nail you, homebro.
Where's Hero?